Bay District Schools is committed to the 4 C's of 21st century learning with collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, communication at the forefront of technology. In 2010, Bay County citizens voted to support a half-cent sales tax for technology, which has allowed the district to install approximately 1,450 smart classrooms. Every core curriculum classroom in Bay District Schools was supplied with a smartboard, student response systems, smart 3D document cameras, microphones, and surround sound. District-wide purchase of integrated learning software, assessment software, and digital streaming software was also provided to every teacher district-wide. Bay District Schools was a winner of the 2012 Staff Development Award presented by the Florida Association of Staff Development for our Outstanding Technology TOSA initiative. This professional learning effort helped provide the spark to ignite many stagnant classrooms which now explode with excitement, not only from the students but the teachers as well. With 1,361 teachers participating in over 6,679 hours of technology professional development and 667 teachers earning 6 or more credit hours, we know our efforts have made a difference. When it comes to being an educator in the coming years while dealing with technology, Bay District Schools and its instructional technology program is prepared to meet the challenge.
Oh, then I'm at this. Oh, I need to.
Go ahead.
All right, guys. Go ahead and finish up on the question you're on. All right, focus check. Focus check. All right. You can put the cards. Make sure you have the Showdown Captain card and the cards, your paper clipping, and the Ziploc bag for me. That'll be perfect. Thank you. I'll come back and do that. When we're grading it, you guys would be highlighting the correct answer in a different color, obviously, than you're doing the highlighting the words. And then we'll go back in the text and we'll look for evidence as to why we got that answer, okay? Does anyone have any questions or problems or anything like that? Any concerns? I gave you guys a flow chart. You guys are more than welcome to use that. You're more than welcome to use your questions up here just in case you need to see them. If you guys are getting distracted again, please back up. Like these things.
American history. It needs to be created as part of the mainstream thought and not as an actual, or not as an actual
Here, no, here it is. It's right here.
Oh, there is a password.
It doesn't matter
from here.
because it just
It doesn't matter if you have the password. And she still doesn't work.
Yeah, do whatever.
no, really type
Sounds
it in because
simple.
if it ever works, we'll be ready. YTUB 6.
YouTube?
That'd be good, you know, to make a quick.
Like I said, I like these up and can't read So guys, to begin with, is
who are, you know, kind of are more familiar with, you know, the iPad, and then those who are, you know, bullets there or so. We're just going to show you some different things that, like, no matter what level you're at, everybody can kind of see that and grasp these concepts. Connecting the iPad to the computer, like we have in all the rooms. I don't know where it is in here, but there's a slate. See the little gray slate that you can. And some teachers bring their iPads to school, so we've shared this with those teachers that have their iPad. There's an app that we're going to talk about that you can download, and it's a program also on the computer that's on the Run Advertised. And once we kind of get running, we'll show you all this. But basically, you can have your computer screen on your iPad, and you can still use this if you don't have an iPad. But if I'm a teacher in the classroom and I do have the iPad, this is much easier because I can actually see what's on the screen as opposed to trying to write and look at the board and manipulate. This becomes the computer screen, and that's the first little thing that we were going to show you. The second thing was trying to connect the iPad where the iPad is actually displayed on the smartboard. You know, my thought is the times that you would want to connect the iPad physically to the computer so that you can see what's on the iPad is if you had certain apps or things that you want to show the kids. Like if you're trying to show a Discovery Education video and you have this technology in the classroom, it's much more efficient just to show it on the computer. You know, it's a nice thought to put it on your iPad and to plug in and have all this stuff going and display it there. But in reality, show apps or maybe pictures or things to students or whatever it may be whenever you're you know, going around the schools. We'll show you that as well, and then we're going to talk a little bit about syncing up your calendar. We'll just show you some of the basics with that, and then again when we break out, you know, we can kind of point you in the direction that you're steering. Because, you know, the questions that you guys asked are really good questions, but a lot of the times, you know, it's like there's so many ways.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I was working yesterday, so. This might be a good time for a break.